Hello everyone, welcome to MSite YouTube channel. In this video I am going to discuss about another name reaction named as Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reactions is the 1,4 addition of unsaturated molecule will be dienophile with conjugated diene to give a 6-membered cyclic product. This reaction is known as Diels-Alder reaction. Such reaction is also called pericyclic reaction. It is a syn addition reaction also. So, we take an example of Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction or pericyclic reaction, or we can say syn addition reaction. In this reaction we will take the butadiene molecule CH2 double bond CH single bond CH and double bond CH2. This is butadiene 1,4 butadiene, which is unsaturated molecule or unsaturated diene, and it's treated with ethene CH2 double bond CH2 double bond CH2. When butadiene treated with ethene in 200 degrees centigrade temperature, reversibly it forms a cyclic product, cyclohexene molecule, cyclic compound named as cyclohexene, about 20%. Cyclohexene 20%. And secondly, and if the butadiene react with butadiene CH2 single bond double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2. In this case we will take butadiene and treated with propanol CHO CH double bond CH, and temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, and it forms the cyclohexenal CHO. This is the product of Diels-Alder reaction when butadiene treated with propanol in presence of at the temperature 100 degrees Celsius, then gives cyclohexenal compound. And now we will discuss about what is dienophiles. the simplest unsubstituted alkene. Now we are going to write the simplest unsubstituted unsubstituted alkene that is ethene makes a poor dienophile. That is ethene makes a poor dienophile. Most reactive dienophile are those which possess one or two electronegative groups alpha 2 unsaturation, and here Z and Z dash may be. There are some most reactive dienophile. Most reactive dienophile may be CHO, COR, COOH, COOR, CuCl, CnNO2, halogen, and alkene C double bonded C. Our most reactive dienophile is tetracyanoethane. Then our new topic is dienes. What is dienes? It may be conjugated diene. It may be conjugated diene, conjugated diene, or polyene, or enine, or diene. There are some examples of diene. So examples are there. First is butadiene, that is butadiene, and cyclopentadiene, and this is another example of diene, and this is also diene. So here, and another is furan. Furan is also a dienophile. This is a heterocyclic compound and used as a dienes. When the electronegative group in a dienophile is C double bond C, the dienophile can also act as a diene. So we can write here this is diene butadiene act as diene, and here this is also butadiene but not diene. This is diene and this is a dienophile. This is a dienophile, and the adduct of both are form adduct molecule, which is a shear double bond present. This is the adduct of diene and dienophile. An aromatic compound can act as diene only when it has at least 3 benzene rings fused linearly. For example, this is an aromatic compound can act as diene only when it has least 3 benzene. There are 3 benzene ring fused linearly, and maleic anhydride and quinone are the most widely used dienophiles. And up now we will discuss about the mechanism of Diels-Alder reactions. This is the mechanism of Diels-Alder reaction. Broadly suggested 3 types of mechanism. First, ionic mechanism, free radical mechanism, and concerted mechanism. Now discuss first mechanism suggested by Broadly, ionic mechanism. In ionic mechanism, dienophile and diene, that is butadiene treated with diene, then the bond moves toward here, and this bond moves toward, and it is moves like this and get converted into cyclic cation, that is like this, and it arranged and form cyclohexene molecule. This is the first type mechanism. The double bond present not here, double bond is present like this, benzene ring, and this is a cyclohexene molecule which is formed by the ionic mechanism of Diels-Alder reaction. And next is free radical mechanism. In free radical mechanism, dienophile and diene form free radical. So let's the example butadiene and diene, that is ethene, this is the double bond ethene. In this case, the pi electron form free radical, and this pi electron also form free radical. There are 3 free radicals are formed. And it gets the molecule like benzene ring, and this is unpaired electron, and the bond is here are some mistakes, so now we will be trying to correct it. The electron moves single headed arrow like this due to one electron moves. This is correct. And for in last cyclohexene compound, this is the product of the free radical mechanism, second type of mechanism proposed by BROWDLY, and the third mechanism is concerted mechanism. In concerted mechanism, the butadiene molecule react with diene in cis form. Here hydrogen present. This is cis butene type structure, and the pi electron attracted here, and it moves toward this, and it is attracted with here, and form transition state, that is transition state. Here hydrogen single bond, here alkyl group present, and here another alkyl group present, and hydrogen bonded, and this is the transition state of this mechanism. Transition state, and in the last we get dialkyl cyclohexene molecule. This is cis addition occur in this case. In case of cyclic diene, two cis addition, that is exo and indo are possible.